Hello and welcome to the Helpful Channel. Today we are going to replace the air filter on a Toro Recycler Smart Stow. So first, you unscrew the screw. Second, you take out the filter, which I already took out. Third, you grab a new filter. We got ours at Napa. And you open it up like so. And then you just simply how to get this thing out of the bag. Give me a moment. You simply take the new filter and you install it like so. It's sticking out the edge, the top edge.
How's it going, bud?
Good. And then you put the cover back on. And then you put the filter in like this. And you simply put it on the hinges and you screw it back in. And now for the official test. Will it start with one pull? For that, we need to take it out to the lawn. Okay. Sorry, it's dark. Is that how it feels? Yeah, I'm gonna get feel. Sorry for making this a long video. I really apologize. Please watch the rest of this. It's very important. That's how you replace the air filter on a Toro Recycler Smart Stow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell.